prepping, so let's check in with Kate.
Well, he wasn't able to compete in the 15-15 because back in round number 2, he bruised his right forearm and sprained his right wrist when bucking off his bull, and he went and got x-rays just to make sure everything was okay. The good news is those were negative. You'll see he does have his right wrist all taped up with a soft cast on it. He told me it actually feels good. It's just for precaution, and he also said, guys, the ribs are feeling good and the knee is feeling good, so we'll see how that translates in the arena.
Kate, thank you, by the way, for only pointing out, I think, the 3 or 4 injuries. His list that's feeling good could go on forever. But he's not going to like the end result there. Lonesome Fugitive ends his weekend in a clearly hobbled J.B. Mauney makes it off the dirt.
Yeah, and Mauney, and for me, it all goes back to those injuries. You know, this one sticks him into his hand right away, and then he hits, and you see him have to get helped out of the arena. It's just tough for Mauney to show up on a weekly basis and be ready to compete at all.
Hopefully, we can see him next weekend at another 3-day event in Billings.